I came by to see the fridge because it was from my dad's office. Do you remember his office?
I do remember. The office where I don't listen.
The fridge? Yeah, we don't have space at home to
Okay.
so I wanted to see if it looked good.
What do you think?
I think it looks cool. You can put something up here, huh?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Look.
I just clean them. That's
Look,
all.
look, look.
Hmm.
Look at. You have space to put this here. Huh?
Ooh. It looks good with the white.
Yeah, and look, it matches here.
White, pure, holy.
How's that?
No, I don't want to put mine.
How come? Oh.
If I put my put chúa vào don't put mine.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
Yeah, we didn't have any space in our house because we already have the fridge in our
Oh,
garage.
so do father office move.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, he just came back home from downtown,
Oh.
and he said, did you go to Bass house? Yeah, I said, no, why? He said, we put the office fridge in there. I said, oh. So, came by to see it.
Okay. So how's all feeling?
My-
Sleep good?
No, still jet lag.
Mm-hmm. Good. Wow.
Awesome.
You feeling okay, Bao? Not in too much pain?
Yeah, how's your back? Thou? Your back hurt? The trooper.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah. Get something out of my mouth. No, right, no. Yeah, where this? Yeah.
Whoa, is this a radio?
Yes.
It's like a Bible thing. You punch in numbers, you get different verses. It's all in Vietnamese too, whatever.
No, I came to see your fridge.
Good?
He Sasha wanted to come here for now.
Yeah, my mom didn't know where to put the office fridge because she didn't want to give it away because it's too new.
So she thought she put it here temporarily.
Yeah.
Just for a short time.
Wow, God works in mysterious ways, huh?
Mm.
Your fridge breaks and then we have to move ours. What are the
Perfect
odds?
timing.
Huh?
Perfect timing.
No such thing as coincidence.
Sure.
Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Are you about to eat now, Bao?
No, but just already eaten. The guy want to eat something?
No, I already ate.
Okay. I ate already.
I just eat right. So that is the meat stick on here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Are you feeling better?
It's okay, but clean lure from morning until now.
Yeah. But you're all done, right?
All done. Yes, yes.
That's good.
So by then, yes. Wow, Milan still feel sleepy.
Yeah, it's annoying.
When go to school,
September.
but not St. Mary anymore.
No, yes, St. Mary's.
Oh, still
My last
St.
year. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Isn't that crazy though?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, the stick on my mouth.
Wow. So clean.
I clean all morning until now.
What? Our fridge was already clean. Why'd you clean it twice?
No, because it's dirty.
It was pretty clean.
Very, oh yeah.
Their office is very clean.
But have you seen our office? It's
They
like-
hire cleaners too.
We hire cleaners to clean.
Yes.
And they clean fridge all the time.
But this is why I have to do it. Lot of inside, outside, all morning, all, yeah.
Wow, we clean it every week.
But now,
You don't need to push yourself, Bao.
I just done. I just done.
You remember how good the office looked?
Do you remember our office, Dad?
I do, but I didn't pay attention. But this in the kitchen.
Very fancy.
Yeah, our office was very clean.
I know.
Very professional.
Uncle Hal, my dad, he's not gonna.
I know.
He has a Porsche.
My dad has a nice car. He's not gonna.
I
He's
know.
not gonna leave his
I know
fridge
he
dirty.
clean. I know. But bà đi, bà do all. Morning bà do everything. But still messy. But just eat now. Yeah. You guys want to eat some here?
Is there anything still bugging you today, Pa?
Go fine.
You feel all better?
Well, good.
You want me to tell my family anything?
No.
Alright.
Come.
Yeah, Milan and something.
Oh, she's fine.
Come sit.
Wow, it's like we're at St. Peter's all the time.
Was it okay?
Oh, is this not comfy?
It's okay. The chair. Yeah, the chair good for
Relax. You've been cleaning all day. You need to rest now.
Oh, yeah. Say bà clean là bà what outside clean because already clean.
Ah, you're twisting.
Exactly. Say twisting.
Don't twist.
Okay. Don't twist.
It has to heal, right? You know.
You know, that is sometimes make bà mad. If everything messy, make bà mad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because this
Wow,
one
next
is
time I don't have school for a whole month. Just call me and I'll help you clean.
Okay.
I'm so bored at home.
Okay.
Just tell me and I'll come clean for you.
Thank God. Yeah, everything.
And you don't have to pay me. Yeah, you know, I was asking the doctor. They said if you twist and stuff while it's healing, then like let's say my finger is like
Doctor when you ask doctor.
back earlier. And remember, it's like, let's say your spine needs to be like this, right? But it's still healing. So if you heal it and it's like this, then it will stay like this forever. So that's why you have to stay straight while it's healing so that it can be straight forever.
Yeah, that will make bà mad, bà clean bà mad.
Why are you mad?
Because dân bring in something bà don't like.
No, my dad's too busy to bring in the office fridge. Uncle James got that fridge from our office.
Do you still think it's junk though? If Uncle Hal used it? And
That's my dad's. This is my dad's fridge. Uncle James.
professional office
Yeah.
fridge. Do you still think it's junk though?
I don't care, bà already clean. Bà already done. But I think it's little too big for lot soon because they look too far away from.
Right here.
Usually,
Oh, your old one was really.
Your
usually by feel before
You mean
so
this
they-
one's too small or too big?
too wide, too long, too big. Oh.
Your other one was bigger, Ba.
Yeah, your other ones stick out more. Look. This
Not
one.
okay, not okay, not fine.
But you know, it's okay if it's big. You know why? Because then you can put Jesus up here.
Okay.
No, I'm serious. Look at
Yeah.
all the space. There's this much space here.
Jesus looks good with white.
It's a holy color, Dad.
Thank you.
No, I'm serious. I'm not just saying that. You could put.
Yeah, Milan's holy. She knows what she's talking about.
You know, I decided for college I don't want to play lacrosse.
Why?
You know, I've been
Wait,
playing.
what?
You know my sports. You know how
Yeah.
I've been playing since I was little.
Uh-huh.
I decided I didn't want to go to college for sports. I wanted
Right.
to go to school with Jesuits there.
Right, bà
Actually,
think that's good idea.
Hmm.
Before Father John thấu mà.
Look,
Father John don't want Milan go to sport.
Father
because-
John did it?
But Father John told me
Oh.
because the woman, if you jump too much, maybe someday have to have children.
Chaozan.
The joy
About
inside.
basketball? Basketball is jumping. Lacrosse is just running.
I don't know.
Getting
but
slammed
I
into
know,
the
but
face
something
with a
jumping.
heavy ball.
That is Father John.
I
told
don't
me.
jump in lacrosse.
I know. It look like before. I don't know. but
You jump too much, your
I
uterus
don't
falls out.
Go to work. No, so he think about
Never heard that before in
woman.
my
That's
life.
good idea because sometimes you have to keep store the egg for the baby.
Well, you don't want them to fall out by jumping, right? Yeah? Alright.
Not mean
That makes
for,
sense to me.
Not mean for, but that's good idea.
Okay.
The location keep the baby, you know. So that is, Well, that's okay now.
But if
Mom don't play that
if I
game.
don't play sports, then I can't be healthy for my baby.
Sure, but that means the ball you have to jump.
She doesn't jump
Yeah,
back.
I don't jump.
I
I
know.
remember I play lacrosse, not
Sure, you do
basketball.
that is good. Like basketball.
It's like hockey without ice, I think.
Basketball that's good for a woman. But that's okay. You know what you want, so it's good.
Thanks. I'm still playing sports, just
So
not.
now it's gonna go Zazu at school. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, bà vẫn các con go that school. Some thầy do kids school với các con. They good. So they Catholic or they same.
Catholic.
Some days you guys marry them it's better. So that is bà would like all grandchildren go good school like that. Because you know people. Maybe some days you like them or some days they good.
I want to focus on my life first. No
Sure.
boyfriend. Boyfriend's too early.
No boyfriend. No
Boys are
boy.
gross.
No boy, no girlfriend. Focus on school and God. That's all.
What the hell?
I don't think, I think she's just saying that in general for me too.
No, that's okay. You only love you can have girlfriend so you can get married.
That's true.
Yeah, because you can find out, check them do bad thing at all. But you
Yeah.
can have girlfriend. But don't do bad thing at all.
What do you think of Patricia?
I don't know. I can church, but I want you guys
Remember
frozen.
when Fee didn't go to church that one day?
Mhm.
Remember how angry you were?
Okay, Satan. Relax.
Remember what you called Patricia?
No, I don't know. Tell me.
Jesus.
Huh?
Tell me what I say.
You're literally the devil.
I'm just teasing you, but I'm just seeing if you remember.
You said something very bad. That
She didn't. But she's fine.
Sure, tell me. Fee here or no?
No, you remember
No.
when Fee didn't go? I had to drop you off at St.
I know.
Pius.
Yeah, and yeah.
And you were upset,
the
but Fee.
devil pulled him out. Right?
Yeah, the devil pulled him away from church,
Oh,
and you
sure.
told me, "Good thing that you're a woman doesn't take you away from God."
Oh, hey, that's 1 point for Jess.
Yeah.
Exactly. Sometimes the devil they use that. They attack they pull
Yeah.
out. So that if one Sunday you meet somewhere, and if you die accident, no chance for you to
I know.
fat and you lost the soul.
I know. I
and
need my
the
soul.
is danger. The soul you have to
I
you have to
know.
be clean. You can see God. If you dirty God, you can.
I know.
You stay with the devil now. You can stay with God. That's all.
Okay. I know.
So bà theo các con the truth. Keep virgin. Keep clean. That's
Yes,
all.
I will.
Before marry.
Okay.
Whatever you like.
Were you a virgin before marriage?
No.
Oh.
That is no good.
What?
That is no good.
Who did you do?
Nobody I do. But
That.
I think
What? You weren't a virgin before marriage?
I'm virgin before.
No, you were. You just said no.
I
Bah.
say that. Devil. Okay. So
Devil.
What?
that is I say
I
no.
thought you were a virgin before marriage.
I'm virgin.
No, you
before.
weren't. You
Eh,
said no.
before-
You can't lie.
Before
Thou
I
shalt not lie.
I'm saying not lie, but you guys don't be listen to the devil.
Okay,
Tell
no
what to
devil.
do.
Got it.
Tell you what to do.
We say,
Should
stand
I-
behind me.
should
Get
I-
behind me,
So
Satan.
you don't like my dad's office fridge? It's very new. We got it 5 years ago.
That's okay. That's okay. Not here already, so that's okay.
Okay.
Are you doing
Thank
okay?
you.
Do you need?
Maybe we can paint it if you don't like white. White
No.
looks good though. Look at your dishwasher and your stove matches.
That's okay because little bit.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit smaller than
No,
your other one.
little bit wide this side. I think the length same, but the.
I know why. I know why. Remember your old one? What this?
Huh?
Your old one? It stuck out like this, but you had 2 doors.
I know.
This one's the big door, so it's wide. That's why.
Yeah, that's okay. They already here.
But you
so,
know,
yeah.
it's nice though. You can fit more stuff.
Yeah, but I don't work too hard.
Yeah, you need to rest.
Do you need help with anything?
But lean that thing outside there later for I know about find out. Thank you.
All right. Well, I think we might head back in a bit.
Sure. About okay, thank you. So let me làm spend time with con. What me làm doing?
I came
Right
to see,
over.
yeah, I came to see.
Oh.
Make sure it moved here properly.
Make sure you don't,
Yeah, that is right. I want to see something.
you should just sit and watch. So you know. Do you want your phone?
No, I just got that. I don't need
Be careful, okay? I don't want you to get hurt.
it. Yes.
Alright, bye. You call us. We'll see you in a bit.
But
Do you need
still,
another
okay.
pillow?
Oh, she sleeps at my house.
Fine, thank you.
Oh, but she
Fine,
sleeps at
thank
my
you.
house too, so we always get her.
No, but fine.
You want it?
You know why? So then you don't have to scoot back. You can just use it. Here, watch. Just
Thank
try it.
you.
Just try it. See? Here.
Yeah.
All the way down. So
That's
now you
good.
don't have
Yeah.
to scoot.
Yeah. I eat it.
Nah, it's all good. Thank you, Belle. Alright. Let's head back, yeah?
I go clean my car
Okay.
There you go.
at Dalen's house. I
Okay.